Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's Sunday. I've just been lounging late getting my videos done. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I appreciate it if you could come back and watch what else I do around the house. And I truly appreciate those who keep coming back. And I'm late on this. I apologize, Kathy, but I got a card from No Guts, No Glory and a Christmas card. So this kind of fits in with my Joann's haul. And of course, you know, it has an owl on it, and it says Merry Christmas. Isn't that cute? Glitter on the hat. And it says, have a warm and wonderful holiday, wishing you lots of blessings and a happy new year. Brad and Kathy, No Guts, No Glory. Mr. that is. And look, there's a little owl sticker inside it. Thanks so much, Kathy. I appreciate it. Kathy has a great channel. You have to check it out. She's so funny. And she does mostly hauls. So check her out, her and Brad. Okay, so today I have a Joann's haul. And normally I don't get to go to Joann's, but we were out yesterday and we passed by it. And I said, let's go in. And I was surprised they still had a lot of Christmas stuff left. So I picked up picks. And this everything was 75% off. So I thought this one was pretty with the snow on the pine cone. So I got that one. And then, let's see. Oh, I put the receipt in my bag, so I can't tell you. But this was originally $2.99, so whatever, 75% off. Probably it's like $1. And then they had these for $3.99, but I got 75%. It's 4 bell bundles. And so they're sort of rustic. So I'm going to do a craft with them probably for Christmas next year. And they had, I picked up all that they had. I learned my lesson on that one. These were $2.99 each, and I got 4. And look at this. They're bells, rustic bells. And I thought those were cute. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I got them. And then I picked up, this one is a little different. They had another one, but it was broke, and this one was $1.99, so I probably got it for 50 cents, something like that. They're pretty with the glitter. I like that one. And then I saw these, and I picked up every single one because I like the green on it. And here's the berries. Didn't really care for the red berries, but for $1, you can't beat it. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10 of them. One of them looks like it has some of the, well, one of the berries looks a little beat up, but that's okay. But, if you watched my video on my Valentine's wreath, I showed my candy cane wreath. So I'm going to save these for next year. And when I see those candy cane wreaths again, I'm going to pick up some and make some more of those. Because I really liked how that turned out. But that's what I picked up. It's just a little short haul. But I wanted to be sure that I shared Kathy's card with everybody because that was so nice of her to send it. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. But I'm going to take a picture. I'd made a couple changes of my wreath, and I wanted you to see how it looks. So I'll show that at the end. Okay, take care. I'll see you next week. See, I went back and added this bow that I had and the 3 little butterflies. So I think that looks much better. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to check out the video. I'll link it below. Bye bye.